Is the dream bike actually worth 5 times the money? Bike costs around $25,000. That depends on you. Today, we're comparing a $5,000 motorcycle to a $25,000 Superbike. And by the end of this video, you'll know which one is actually worth it. One of these is perfect for beginners. The other can hit 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds. And by the end of this video, we're going to find out, is the dream bike actually worth 5 times the money? This is the Kawasaki Ninja 400. It's one of the most popular beginner bikes in America. It costs about $5,000 used. It gets amazing gas mileage. Insurance is cheap. And it's lightweight. It makes around 45 horsepower. That might not sound crazy. But for a beginner, this thing feels fast. It's not a super bike. But it's quick enough to smoke most regular cars at a traffic light. Add excitement. For $5,000, that's insane. Bike, $5,000. Insurance, cheap. Maintenance, affordable. Gas, amazing MPG. This bike is realistic. You can own this without being rich. And now, this is the BMW S1000RR. This bike costs around $25,000. It makes over 200 horsepower. That's more power than some sports cars. This is not a beginner bike. This is a missile. 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds. Top speed? Insane. Launch control, traction control. Electronics everywhere. This thing is basically a spaceship with wheels. But here's the problem. Insurance? Expensive. Maintenance? Expensive. Tires? Gone in weeks if you ride hard. This bike doesn't just cost $25,000. It keeps costing you. If you're new to riding, the Ninja 400 makes more sense. If you want pure adrenaline, the S1000RR destroys it. But is it 5 times better? That depends on you. If this video hits 20,000 likes, I'll upgrade from the $5,000 bike to the $25,000 Superbike. And one day, the dream bike won't be a dream anymore.